Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a demo video of a product that I showed you earlier in one of my earlier videos, and I did say that I will do a demo on YouTube. So let's begin. The product I'm talking about is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Now I have used this once. I will not lie to you. I have used it once and I did like it. So I wanted to film a video to show you guys how it looks on my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are naturally black. They are not even brown. They are black. And was this good enough to to be used as a substitute for my black powder? Kind of, yes. I will say yes, because although it is a brown shade, it on the packaging is, you can see this little line here is brown, and when you open the product, the tip is very brown. I mean, it's not even dark. It's kind of in the middle. It's a neutral brown, but it still did an okay job. I mean, I think it's useful. I would not say that I didn't like it, but I'll show you when you see the result on in the video. You'll find out if you can also can use it or not. All right. Okay. So let's begin. Oh, firstly, I'm sorry. I need to brush my eyebrows with a spoolie. Okay. Okay. I'll do both of my eyebrows here so you can see. The spoolie is really nice. I like it. All right. Now, here, I don't have here on the eyebrows, you can see, because I had stitches in this area when I was a kid, and my hair never came back. So that is one of the main reasons I like to keep my eyebrows nice and shape, because this really bugs me. So anyway, let's begin. So I usually start from the corner here, and I use it with very light strokes. I don't dig it deep into the brows, because then the color difference will be very clear. Obviously it is not black, so it does peep out. It's good for filling in those gaps. Okay, sorry, I used a lot here. Okay. And there. Well, better than nothing. So you see, it does work. I mean, there is a difference between the before and after. I'll do my second row quickly. I don't think I'm using too much here. Okay, I think that's about it. Now, it doesn't look bad. It looks okay for me, because oh God, no. It looks okay For me it works okay because I don't look for Instagram eyebrows. I'm not actually about very perfect, flawless eyebrows. I'm okay with a look that makes me feel nice, makes me look nice. Okay. So now from here you can see that this color here is quite light. I don't know if that's because of the lighting in my room. Otherwise, when you go outside, it's not that noticeable until unless someone comes like very close to you and looks into the eyes and says, "Oh my God, like you got two colors in your eyebrows." So that's that's another case. But overall, I think this product is good. For the timing, it has replaced my black eyeshadow. For I usually use eyeshadow powder to fill in my brows very lightly, but for the time being, yeah, it is kind of working for me and I do like it. So I hope you enjoyed the first impressions. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will put a detailed review on my blog styleandspice.com. Do still check it out because there's a lot more information. There's lots of great products that I've talked about over there and you might enjoy it. So I will see you in my next video. Take care, and oh, don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more content ahead. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.